If you are wondering how we find the winning products that we share on this channel, today I'm giving away our secrets and showing you what tools we use, what we search when we use those tools, and sharing some tips and insights along the way. Before we get into the video, if you like videos about winning products, dropshipping, Shopify themes, apps, and tutorials, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. Now, let's get into the video. Alright, so for a brief introduction, I'm showing you 5 tools/websites that we use. Some of these are free to use, some are paid, but all of them can be tried for free regardless, either from a free trial or through a free membership with less features. EcomHunt is a website that we've been using for years. What I love about EcomHunt is that they share all of the product data you need. They give you a price recommendation, the product description, and even tell you how saturated the product is. If you're just starting out and have no idea how to price your products, EcomHunt is great because it shows you what you can sell it for and does the math of what your potential profit margin would be. In addition to this, they also share stats over the last 24 hours, showing you how it's trending on Google, if there's a lot of AliExpress interest, and more. They will also indicate if the product is currently trending, which means they will also provide you with additional data such as the top countries that are ordering, a 30-day AliExpress report, and more. One of my other favorite features is that they share the listing links for AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, and eBay so that you can easily find the product and begin dropshipping it. They also share links and screenshots from Facebook ads and also show you suggested ad targeting. They show you other stores that are also selling the product, which is great because then you can see their pricing, their shipping cost and time, and their website as a whole, and use that information to make your offer even better. If I were to critique one thing about EcomHunt, it's that I feel that they're a bit slower to list the products than some of the other ones I'm going to show you. I commonly find winning products on other websites first, and then they appear on EcomHunt several weeks later. Overall, I highly recommend EcomHunt to beginner dropshippers. They're going to provide all of the data you need, the product description, the price, ad targeting suggestions, and more, so that you can save time and launch your store way faster than if you had had to research all those things for yourself. Sell the Trend is another great way to find winning products, and in my experience, Sell the Trend is usually the first website to find and list products that end up being winning products. As I mentioned previously, other platforms tend to list these same products several weeks later, so using Sell the Trend will help you get ahead of the competition and be one of the first to market. I really like the way Sell the Trend formats their data. It's all very clean, organized, and easy to read. They share the product cost, a price recommendation, what your potential profit margin would be, and more. I love this trend chart. They actually have a video tutorial on how to read this so that you can tell if it's a good time to sell the product or if the trend is over. They also share other helpful data that again is really easy to understand. They plainly tell you about the competition, profit margin, and more. Another thing worth mentioning is that they list multiple supplier options, so you can check which supplier offers the best price, shipping time, and cost, and they even put a little flag beside USA sellers. Speaking of that, they have an entire section dedicated to local suppliers that offer fast shipping, so if you're looking for suppliers within a certain country, definitely check that section out. Sell the Trend has another cool feature which I've shown on the channel before, and that is their store intelligence tool. With this tool, you can paste a store's link or just search through their list of stores, and they will show you data from the store such as their monthly revenue, their best sellers, and more. Looking at a store's best sellers is another great way to find winning products, plus this way you can see which products are actually converting. I'd also recommend checking out their newly added products for even more ideas. My one critique of Sell the Trend is that their data isn't always accurate. Sometimes with their product data, it can be inaccurately linked to a certain variant within the AliExpress listing. Like this, for example, it's saying that the product cost is $1.62. It's pulling data from this listing here, but the product that is $1.62 is just the refill, not the product itself. The product is about $1 more depending on the color you choose, so just something to be aware of. You will need to double check the product data they provide. Overall, highly recommend this platform as well. It's going to save you a ton of research time, not only in the products but in the suppliers, and the website has several other helpful tools that I haven't even touched on. This platform is one of the newer ones out there, and it was made with TikTok dropshipping in mind. They have several ways to find winning products. You can click on the winning products tab to see TikTok videos featuring winning products. They are very generous with their data, which I really appreciate. Oftentimes when you're viewing top TikTok ads, it's missing vital information such as the advertiser's website link or the link to the TikTok itself. Pippi Ads not only shares that, but also shares an estimated number of orders that the ad has generated, as well as an estimate on what the ad would have cost to run. Near the bottom of the page, you can see what ad text the advertisers have used, their ad schedule, and so much more. Pippi Ads has also added a new feature recently, which is their product search tool, where you can see the ads, website, and price of each of these products. And then the other way to find winning products is through their TikTok ad search. You can simply click the dropship link and adjust any other search filters as you desire. The other tool that Pippi Ads offers that I love is their Pippi Spy tool. It's a Google Chrome extension, and with it you can see any store stats such as when they opened, what theme they are using, what apps they are using, their best sellers, and even view their live sales. I love checking out the live sales because so often I see products go viral on TikTok and I wonder if they are actually converting or not. So this is a really cool way to take a deeper look and make sure the product is actually selling. If I were to critique anything about Pippi Ads, my first thing would be the price. I do feel that their monthly costs are a bit high, but that being said, Pippi Ads has kindly offered our viewers a 20% off discount code, so that will bring the cost down to under $5 per day. The other thing to be aware of is that they do not list the listing links. So once you find a product you like, you will need to then head to AliExpress or whatever supplier you prefer and just try and find the product. It's not a huge deal, they usually aren't terribly hard to find, but just something to be aware of. Pippi Ads is a great tool for TikTok dropshippers. It's far superior to any of the free TikTok ad spying tools out there. TikTok Creative Center is a free TikTok ad spy tool. The tool comes with several helpful filtering options. My favorite one is the campaign objective, where you can filter by conversions. This way you know when you're looking at products, it's not all just fluff about going viral. These products are actually generating sales. It also gives you a good idea of what a high converting TikTok ad looks like. You can also filter by industry, so if you sell pet products, for example, you could use the pet filter and only see ads relevant to your niche. Or if you're looking for any type of product, you can select several to see hundreds of product options. The other filter I use a lot is the region one. You will want to use this to check out ads that are doing best in your country or wherever your target audience lives. As for critiques for this tool, my biggest gripe is that they don't share any identifying information about the accounts that have run the ad. So you can't check out their TikTok profile, their website, or see the TikTok live. The only place you can view the TikTok is here, and it doesn't contain a watermark with the account name, so you can't dig deeper. I've personally tried searching for accounts based on the information in the video, and I've found some of them if there was something in the video that gave me a tip, but otherwise further data can be really hard to find. These ads aren't dropshipping specific, so you're going to have to filter through a mix of dropship and non-dropship products. Once you familiarize yourself with winning products, you can kind of spot them right off the bat, but if you're just starting out, you may end up spending a lot of time viewing videos that don't actually end up containing dropship products. The other thing is that it doesn't give you any sort of product data such as price or listing link. All of that research will need to be done by you. Overall though, this is a great free tool for finding winning products that are actually converting. Last but not least, we have the TikTok app itself. This is fully free and it's a great way to find winning products. To find winning products, start by tapping the search icon. Then you want to type TikTok made me buy it. And then I like to go over to the filters and search for videos posted either this week or this month. And I also select most liked. This is going to show you the most recent and most popular TikToks. These are the same filters that I use to find all of the winning products from this video. Other search terms you might try are TikTok made me do it, Amazon finds, and Amazon must-haves. I want to hear from you guys. What do you use to find winning products? If you like this video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. We post a lot of time-sensitive content such as winning products on this channel, so make sure you have notifications turned on so that you can be one of the first to market when we post those videos.